Here's the solution for day 4, problem 1. The fire hydrant is 2.5 feet high and has a 5-foot shadow. At the same time of day, a nearby tree has a 17-foot shadow. Sketch a diagram. So here is the ground. It's important that this ground is level. And then a fire hydrant, so this little rectangle, this is going to be my fire hydrant. It is 2.5 feet tall. And if the sun is in the sky to the right and casts a sunbeam like this, then the shadow will be cast on the ground to the left of the fire hydrant. We're told that that shadow is 5 feet long. I want you to notice something here. Please notice that the shadow is twice as long as the height of the fire hydrant. Now there's a nearby tree. And so let's say this is the tree. And sunbeam, again coming from the sun, is going to come down and go by the side of the tree, and so the shadow of the tree will be to the left of the tree. We're told that that shadow is 17 feet long. Again, remember that the shadow of the hydrant is twice as long as what the hydrant is tall, and so the shadow of the tree will be twice as much as the height of the tree. That's the work that we're going to do in part B to find the height of the tree. So similar triangles. There is a triangle located here at the hydrant and a similar shaped triangle located at the tree. The height of the hydrant can be compared to the length of its shadow, as the height of the tree can be compared to the length of its shadow. Anyway, the point is, how tall is that tree? It has to be half as much as its shadow. So half of 17 is 8.5 feet. Now, day 4, problem 2. Multiplying negative numbers together. Negative times negative is positive 28. Question B. Dividing a positive by a negative. That's negative 10. Question C. Subtracting fractions. Like adding fractions requires common denominators. If this is 3 and this is 4, we want to use 12 as the denominator. So we'll multiply by 4 and by 4, and then here multiply by 3 and by 3. This is 8. Subtract 3 is 5/12. And then question D, dividing by fractions. 5/8 divided by a half. How many halves are in 5/8? One way to do this is to change to multiplication and take the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2, or 2 over 1. And then multiply these. 5 times 2 is 10, 8 times 1 is 8, and then reduce this fraction 5/4.